Hello and welcome guys to a new episode on Top Drives Fanatic. Today I'm going to do the tune-up challenge of Holden to your seatbelts. I think it's going to be the Savannah. Yeah, exactly, the Savannah thing. So let's go. Let's see what we have to face. Okay. So let's see. 7.0 74. I think you can beat him. And 8.4 75. 8.4 75 for the hairpin. You'll beat him. 4.6 68. I'll just try and do this with as much Savannah as possible, so you can actually choose which one you want to choose. 82 and 10.1 78. 10.1 70. I think like this I'm going to beat it, and otherwise I will just go away from the Savannah cars. Just pretty easy like this. I have plenty of cars that are like lower rated, because you only need two. Like you only need to learn Savannah ways. So I've actually done this the hard way, but it's faster to search. So that's why I did it. So yeah, let's see. Exactly like this. Great. And on to level 2. Let's see. That one is too hard. Let's see. If I do, oh wait, that is that car. I don't want to use that. This one should beat this one. Then we already got Savannah Way cars. I will just do it like this right now. Filter, status, upgraded, fully upgraded. Like, I only picked upgraded cars because I know they can. Oh, you don't need to be. We need to beat. Let's just search from here. I'm just gonna show you how cheap this seemed to me. Cheap. $8.276. Oh. This one. Then we only need to beat that one. I think you will beat him. I've got almost like half of the points you can use, and I think I'm still going to beat them. And if I'm not, I'm like that's how easy the first levels are. I think so. The first 2 levels are pretty easy, as long as you don't need to use like that much Savannah cars. It won't be that hard because you can just use high cars, use low cars. For your own cars could be low, the Savannah Way cars could be high, and you would be no problem. Of course, this will be a problem. I already thought so, but I haven't upgraded this car one bit, so let's just do that straight away. And I think right now, easy peasy lemon squeezy. I'm sorry guys, by the way, I'm so sick, but doing my best to survive. Okay. Let's see. Oh, this should be that one. This should be that one. Then we're done. Filter standard, status, upgraded, easy. We need to be that. Let's just go to 19. 6.575. Oh, sorry, I'm feeling a little bit like I'm gonna sneeze. I don't want to. Not again. Like this, and then slalom. We'll use for slalom. Let's just use you. As you can see, team choosing must not be that hard. Must be pretty easy. This is an easy one. Let's see. This is how much we catch up in the corners, so shouldn't be a problem. Here should be a problem. And I think the last one shouldn't be a problem, but we can of course use any better car. But like I said, easy peasy lemon squeezy. Level 4. Again in the rain. Let's go for this again. Tires, standard. Okay. 9.572. Let's see if that beats someone. I think you can beat him if we just upgrade you a little bit. I think that's already enough, but we just fully upgrade you, it doesn't really matter. Oh man, this is gonna be so easy, but I'm sorry, my nose again. Let's just use you there, doesn't really matter. Then boom, do this off, do this, status, upgraded. Go back to 19. Let's go level 1. I think you are great. Let's see level 3, 6.473. But oh, he doesn't have, which I have. And that's the standard tires. Oh, now this one. Okay, pretty easy. Will be just that car. As I said, easy peasy lemon. Squeeze. Like boom. And our last one to secure it. It's just a standard tires, it's so easy. I think this one is going to be easy as well. Because what we need is someone to get above 130, and I think we're already done. But let's just secure it with this one on there. And I think this should be already in W. But we will just go on. If filters, status upgraded, we'll go to the 19 one. Okay, maybe not. Okay, firstly we need this one, 8.081. Okay, I think he already beats that. Then we need 5.777. So I'm just quickly scrolling through. Oh, I think you beat him. Oh wait, you beat him. And then we need someone 6.4 filter. No filter. Sort. No 6 time ascending. We can use anyone. We will filter because of you guys. Like, where's the first one coming there? I think you already beat him. So let's just do it like this. Man. And I think this is going to be the team. I may lose one or two, but I think this one is already 250 points, I think. Exactly. Because I don't know why, but if you have 130 as top speed, you don't reach the top speed. That's how you easily get 3 stars. And this car is amazing. Like, you only need to win the other 2. It's just gonna be easy. And as you can see, this one, he has 1, 2, 3 as top speed, so he will reach it, but he will be slow. And that's why you get 500 points. Oh, we need 3 now. So let's just do that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's see what we have to face. And what I think I will do is the following. First, let's do status. No. Scalenius medium high. Just to search if we can beat him. 5.283. Nope. Or 4.787. Nope. Wait, maybe they are low. I haven't checked. That was crazy dumb of me. This one is low. Both low. Should be pretty easy to beat them. So I can just do this. Miscellaneous medium high. Wait, but 480. You will beat that one. 6.575. You will beat that one. I will use you for this one. And then let's just go for filter, medium high, uncommon, status, upgraded. Exactly. Don't need this one. Then we go to the car park. I know I can use an uncommon one for this one as well, but yeah, just not in the mood. You know, so it's so easy to do this with a low RQ. I know it takes longer to do it with a low RQ, but I do it for you guys, so you can, like, you can copy my team basically and use even better cars, so it doesn't really, so you don't struggle. Like, I know I can use every car right now, but yeah. Let's just use this one. No, let's not use this one. I know we can beat him. That's not why I didn't choose him. But I know we can better use him when it's actually rainy. So this is gonna be the team. Let's see. Oh, let's see. Easy. I'm actually curious about the second and fourth one, because like the difference in the car is very big, but they are low and I am medium height, which of course makes a huge difference. Exactly. Okay. Then it's not even a question anymore. I just win. Great. Easy W. Now on to level 7. And now let's... Oh, no. Let's see. Do we have... Yes, we have. You're going there. I hope you make it. Don't know for sure. Then here. Let's see. Yeah, you are not. You are not. Yeah, no, I'm not gonna use you guys, so you two are fine. Then I need someone to beat him, which will be you. Do I have a filter on? No. And oh wait, I mean for you. And I need someone on fast circuit. 7.173. Should be you. Then I can put you off. I can use here. Tires, all service, off-road standard, with four-wheel drive. Search from 30, I think. Oh wait, filter, status, upgraded, only 50. Oh, I'm sorry. You there? 8.079. Let's just use you. I know we can use lower cars, but I'm a little bit lazy as well. I'm a little lazy beam as well. You guys are not the only ones. Let's see. Easy. So it should be easy as well. This one should make a difference in the corners, exactly. And this one, yeah, exactly, he doesn't finish out 250. So this one also, you could fuck up to and win two of the other ones, and just make sure you do this level, like make this level, and you win. So, let's see. First, let's look at the easiest one. That's one. So I wanted to use you there, so I can use you there. Exactly. Yeah, no. Twisty road, G-force. Should be pretty easy, right? think I don't want to take risks because I don't want to do the level over and over and over again. So yeah. I think this one should be easy right now. I don't need to use this one. I can use uncommon, status, upgraded. Exactly. Let's use you are good enough for that. And yeah, let's use filter. I know what I can use, so you great. It's great when you don't have to think about what you're going to use. So that was 1, easy. 2, easy. 3, I think pretty easy as well. 4 should be fine. Exactly. 5, easy as 4. Exactly. Let's get into level 9. Okay, so I think this is going to be pretty easy as well. You have to beat that one. This is going to be easy. Oh wait, you can easily beat that. Then we need to beat 7.1, 81, cancel 1. Seven to 2. I think you should make the difference. And then we can again use filter, uncommon, not this, filter, status, upgraded. This one will be there. 7.680. Yep. Easy as that. $69, of course, my favorite number. If you know, you know. If you don't know, well, I think you're a little young. Let's go. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. Let's go to level 10. Still 3. Okay. I have a team in front of me. So let's see which is beatable. I think. Oh, I think. This is enough. Oh. I think this will be enough. This will be enough. And then we can put this off. We can use uncommon, status, upgraded. I think you are great at the slalom. And I think you should be great at that. Yeah, exactly. Great. Also great. See, it ain't that hard. Maybe this one. No, also not this one. Easy. Lemon ice cream. I will buy 10 more. Oh, we don't need the selection. $31. Okay, so this is more about top speed. Let's see. Let's hope you can beat him. Maybe you? Yeah. Fuck. I hope. We can hope. We can hope. We can hope. Or I use this one there, which is, I think, safer. Because then I can use you there, which will be safer. And then I need to beat you still, which will be easy if I just do the filter again. Filters, status, graded. I'll just use rare. And let's see. Sorry, by the way, I'm a little bit quiet because kind of weird guy. Like I've seen him before, but a kind of weird guy cycling around here and watching our house like weirdly. So yeah, let's keep an eye on it. Let's see. So I lose the first one. That's basically it. So I lose this one, which is 7.9. Like this. I use max points now, but that was coming. And of course I could use the fast circuit. I could upgrade, but I just am a lazy motherfucker. Okay, so that's another 1,000. Now let's see. Okay. Like this. I think he's good enough to beat him. Let's hope. Yeah, still need that. don't need medium high anymore. I need tire standard, exactly. Which I could use there. Could use them there on the third one. Okay, can't use them there really. So is that not gone? Then I actually need to be this one. Which I hope we do with this one. This. And then we use uncommon, status, upgraded, tire, standard. And then we need to use maybe someone like you. I don't know. This is actually pretty hard, this level. Okay, the first one is good. That's great. Second one is good. The third one is good. Fourth one is good. Just as enough. Okay, not even close. Oh no, I don't need this. Need status. No, not status. Need tire standard. Uncommon. Status upgraded. Okay. Okay, I think I'm hooked. Let's just do this again. I need someone, which is him, to beat you. That's great. How close are you gonna get? Probably not so close. So was it weird that I chose him? No, I don't think so. 5.674. This choice is logical. You know, then we're going on the same team. But of course I can upgrade you still. So you will be 6 seconds. Let's hope. Oh, and I can upgrade you as well. So I can fall back on you. Okay, that's great. Then we go uncommon. Then we go away from this. Then we filter again. Now we go for a rare. Tire, standard, status, upgraded. And then we go for this one again. I think this is better. Let's just try it. Why not? Let's just try it. So we need to watch for 2 in the last one. So let's see. So it's a twisty circuit, not a fast circuit. Exactly. Great. That's done. This is done. So it's only about the last one. Okay, he doesn't lose that much time, but he loses time. Oh man, how could anyone make it so hard for me? Fuck. Oh no, filter. Rare, super rare, status, tires, I mean standard, status, upgraded. I will just skip because I know the other ones I will win. Just need to know if I win. Yeah, no, not. Status. Upgraded, standard, yes, filter. Fuck you, rarity, rare. Okay, I need someone with a top speed as well. I actually have no one. Afuki. And I need 40. Like, how do I beat that one? Oh, wait. I don't need to use standard tires. I can just use anyone. Right? We could try you. Oh man. My legs are absolutely done. Naked. Not naked. I'm naked. Maybe for A. Yeah, we know that wins. But now the moment of truth, almost let my phone fall. Yes. Okay, I was stupid. I was being stupid. Okay, so now level 13. This was already getting harder though, so wasn't too happy about it. But yeah. Of course they need to get harder, so I get that, but okay. I think I'll use you there. $6.377. I will use you there. And I think the standard tires are done. Yes, 6.883. I need you. And 5.577. I actually need. Like 5.577 is still like a freaking good stat. Like look at this. Like 5.777. But I need it. because 5.082 is also very good. Uncommon, status, upgraded. How do I beat that? We'll try it. We can't even try it. All the cars I want to use are not available to me. Yeah, no. Yeah. Fuck hell. I don't think I have the cars for this. Let's try it like this, but I know I'm gonna lose. I may be thinking of another strategy. An alternative strategy. Okay. So the first 3 win. This one we lose either way. And the last one we lose either way. Okay. So now we put off you. Boom. We put on we put you. Wait, no. Uncommon. We do this. We do status. Oh, upgraded. Yes, but we do tires. We do 4-wheel drive. Exactly. I'm letting my phone slip out of my hand for the second time. And now we have to take a guess, and I think I'm gonna use you. So we are gonna lose those two, which I am preparing for. But I actually want to win one. Okay, let me take a look. This one we're gonna lose either way. So we have to prepare for that. Let's just lose. Let's just win. Let's just upgrade that one. Yeah, exactly. Let's see how this works out. I hope I get enough points at the third one. That's actually like my only hope at this moment. So yeah, no. Fucking hell, mate. I've lost. That's a fluke. Yeah, no. I'm not getting this back. I'm not getting this level right now. Okay. Well, I don't think I'm gonna get through this unless I get some great cars. So yeah, that's unfortunate. So yeah, I'll stop the recording for now, and if I get a good car, I can do it. But if I don't get a good car within 2 days, I can't do it. So yeah, that's basically it.